Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Infinix. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here some deep pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!